Hello, fashion people. We'll be looking at how to make this beautiful rose design. This can be used to decorate your dress and elevate the look. You can use in any part depending on the style you're creating. So let's dive into it. So I have my fabric on fold, and on fold is 3 inches on fold, making it 6 inches. If it's not on fold, when I open it, full length is 6 inches like this. So and then for the length, I cut a long strip of fabric. For the length of what I'm working with, I have it to be just more than 60. I want the rows to be full, so I have 74 inches for the full. So the next thing, I'm going to be bringing the two ends together like this. So I'll just bring it up this way. This is the two end of the fabric. I'll just lay them together. This is the folded part. So I'll just go ahead and curve it out like this. So just use my scissors and I'll going to cut it. Just give it a go. So I want to curve it now. So next thing, I'm going to be mashing this up. So I'll just turn this to the wrong side and I'll just sew up this curved area. Just sew it and stop here. And I'll also sew this and stop like this at the wrong side. And so I'm going to open this up like this, and I'm going to also sew and stop somewhere there, and I'll show you what I have. So I'm going to start from one end and I'll start gathering it round. So with my needle, I'm just going to gather it round like this. I'm done gathering it, so I'll just carefully pull it to bring everything together. So after gathering it, I like what you have already. And to gather here more. This is what I have now. So I can try to now tie this the other end very well so that it will not loosen up. So to form our design, you can see this curve is already given, it's already forming on its own gradually. So you just need to assist it to form the flower design. Just need to assist it in forming the flower design. And when you fold it to an extent, you're going to use your needle and tack it down, like from this beginning part. I like how it is like this. So I can use my needle and tack this down. So I have tacked the starting point down. So I just keep on arranging my petal, just keep arranging it. Just when you arrange, you feel that you found it hard enough. This is the first point. I arrange like this. Then I went round. This is already forming, and then I'm going to sew this up. Try and tack it down. Then I'll go ahead and arrange again. Then I'll tack down again. I'm going to redo my gathers here and we'll continue. Also, if I need to tie up this one where it's ended, this is what you do when you have an incident like this. Just tie up the last thread, make sure it's firm. Tack down. So I'll continue to arrange my petal. Just continue to arrange my petal like this. So keep arranging it. I want it to be free here, so I want it to be more open. So just place it like that. And I'll sit back down. So once I had to tack my rose design to my dress. For the tutorial on how to make this baby girl ball dress with a halter neckline, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. Please like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comment section. I'll try and attend to all. You can use this petal to decorate your design anywhere. You can add it to the hand, to the body, like just anywhere you want. It elevates the look of whatever outfit you are making. So I also went ahead to make a smaller rose and attach it to the shoulder area, as you can see. So this is the final look of the dress I was making. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. Bye bye.